Here I have REALME C31, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the more modes and select burst. And now to take a burst shot, just hold down shutter button, and after that you can take like maximum 20 shots. Here let's view shots that I took right now. So yeah, and that's how you can take a burst shot. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.